The protective blanket of gases that surrounds the Earth is called.
Atmosphere.
Who discovered the ozone layer in 1913?
Both A and B.
Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer?
Stratosphere.
World Ozone Day is observed on.
September 16th.
Which component of an ecosystem is responsible for nitrogen fixation?
Bacteria.
Which process in the carbon cycle converts carbon dioxide into organic compounds?
Photosynthesis.
The Ramsar Convention is an international treaty for the conservation of which one of the below?
Wetland.
An example of a decomposer is
Mushroom.
In which year did the world population reach 7 billion?
– 2011.
Which of the following is a tertiary consumer?
Hawk.
What causes water droplets to fall from clouds?
Gravity.
A graphical representation of the relationship between the different living organisms at each trophic level in a given ecosystem is called
Ecological pyramid.
Earth Day is celebrated globally on which date?
April 22nd.
Which gas has a stronger heat-trapping ability than CO2 but is less abundant?
Methane.
What is biogas mainly made from?
Organic waste.
Which of the following has the highest biodiversity?
Tropical rainforest.
The Chipko movement was a dash conservation movement in India.
Forest.
The chemical formula for ozone is
O3.
What is the major cause of the overuse of natural resources?
Population growth.
The ozone hole was first discovered over which region?
Antarctica.
Acid rain is primarily caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and which other pollutant?
Nitrogen oxides.
International Day for Biological Diversity is observed on
May 22nd.
What drives the water cycle on Earth?
Sun's energy.
The process by which a water body becomes gradually enriched with excess minerals and nutrients is called
Eutrophication.
Which layer of Earth holds most of its groundwater?
Crust.
Which UN body monitors global climate change?
IPCC.
Which of these is considered a major cause of ocean pollution?
All of these.
In which year was the first World Environment Day celebrated?
(1973).
Which of the following is not an example of hazardous household waste?
Vegetable scraps.
Fog is an example of
condensation.
Which of the following world events led to a sharp population decline in the past?
World War II.
A sudden and heavy flow of water that washes away everything in its path is called
Flash flood.
the flow of energy in an ecosystem is
Unidirectional.
Which of the following is a natural source of sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere?
Volcano.
Which gas do animals exhale?
Carbon dioxide.
What do you call the process of mixing air into soil?
Aeration.
Earthquakes are measured using which scale?
Richter scale.
A biological community of organisms and the physical environment with which they interact is called
Ecosystem.
Which of the following is used to make compost?
Kitchen waste.
Which one of the below is observed on March 21st every year since 2013?
International Day of Forests.
What does an omnivore eat?
Both plants and animals.
Which term refers to the total greenhouse gas emissions caused by a person, activity, or product?
Carbon footprint.
In which biome would you find giraffes, lions, and acacia trees?
Savanna.
Which disaster is associated with the Chernobyl incident of 1986?
Nuclear accident.
Who popularized the term global warming?
Wallace Smith Broker.
The process by which human activities and climatic variations reduce the biological productivity of drylands is called
Desertification.
Which of the following is not one of the 3 R's of environmental conservation?
Resource.
What percentage of Earth's freshwater is stored in glaciers and ice caps?
About 69%.
Which is a man-made process that mimics the water cycle?
Desalination.
What do we call cutting down large numbers of trees?
Deforestation.